So now getting to my little brief primer, if you will, on endowments, endowment distribution, spending, and how that plays out. So a couple of key concepts. Again, probably many of you are well familiar with this, but the first sort of principle is when a gift comes in, it's designated for the endowment, that the institution can't spend. That's the preserve the corpus, the asset, the original asset, the donation. Let's say of $100 given today to the institution for the endowment. That $100 can't be spent. Any revenue it generates through investment, any appreciation in its value can be spent, but not the original $100 of the corpus. Now, institutions can choose to treat money it receives as if it's endowment. So sometimes, for example, you have a situation, wish it happened more frequently, particularly these days, but sometimes you have a situation in which an institution may generate a surplus. And it may decide what it's going to do. In fact, it's going to push $500,000 or something into the endowment. If the institution does that, it's choosing to treat it as an endowment. It's not legally obligated to forevermore consider it as endowment. So it'll account for it, it'll treat it as endowment, but it can always tap it into it if it wishes to. So you often see that term quasi-endowment, and that's a kind of institutional decision to expand the endowment in a way that's not sort of permanent. Must comply with the donor's wishes. So if the gift was to fund a particular professorship, that's what the endowment must be done. Typically, endowment agreements with donors are written out such as to include a kind of get-out-of-jail-free card, if you will, that will normally say that at the very end something about, and if the institutional priorities change, I authorize the administration to change the use of it. And so there can be ways around that, but not all endowments are like that.